The TECHVIO Mini Drone Kit MF-01 is a highly engaging and educational toy that offers a unique 5-in-1 DIY drone building experience, enabling children to create their own drones in various designs and colors. The drone kit is not only fun but also promotes STEM learning, fostering children's imagination and creativity. The drone comes with user-friendly features like altitude hold, headless mode, one-key takeoff land, low power warning, and emergency stop functions, making it easy for beginners and kids to operate. The drone is equipped with 3D flip and 3-speed modes, offering a fun and exciting flying experience for children of all skill levels. Constructed from quality and non-toxic ABS plastic, the drone kit is durable and safe for children, with 4 propeller guards that protect the drone from damage and the children from the spinning propellers. With its robust features and creative aspect, the TECHVIO Mini Drone Kit MF-01 makes a great gift for occasions like birthdays, Children's Day, and Christmas.